Let's see, what if you could start making money online starting today with little or no upfront investment? Are you looking for something to bring in some extra cash? Are you wishing you could quit your job and be free, really free? Are you looking for something real to help you take action today to start your journey to freedom? If you answered yes to this, then be sure and watch this video. This channel is to help people like you really get free. In this segment, we delve into the concept of launching a faceless YouTube channel as a means to generate income online. The focus is on exploring a side hustle that involves creating content without revealing one's identity. The tone of the discussion is centered around effortless and perhaps unconventional methods to earn money through online platforms. By shedding light on the lucrative possibilities associated with faceless YouTube channels, we aim to pique the curiosity of viewers and emphasize the financial rewards that can be reaped from this particular avenue of online entrepreneurship. When establishing a faceless YouTube channel, the selection of a niche holds paramount importance. It is crucial to underscore the value of choosing a niche that aligns with one's interests and expertise, as this not only enhances content quality, but also fosters genuine engagement with the audience. Having a central theme for the channel provides a sense of coherence and direction, making it easier to attract and retain viewers. For those uncertain about which niche to pursue, leveraging AI tools such as ChatGPT can be a game changer. These tools can help explore trending and popular niches, offering valuable insights that can guide content creation and channel growth in a strategic manner. When it comes to crafting content for a faceless YouTube channel, utilizing AI tools can streamline the process and elevate the quality of videos. One such tool, InVideo AI, offers a user-friendly platform for generating engaging video content effortlessly. By showcasing the step-by-step process of creating videos with InVideo AI, beginners can grasp the simplicity and efficiency of this tool, enabling them to produce professional-looking content without extensive technical skills. Emphasizing the importance of data-backed topics for video creation is key, as it not only enhances the credibility of the content, but also resonates with the audience's interests and preferences, increasing the likelihood of viewer engagement and channel growth. Optimizing videos for YouTube search results is a crucial aspect of enhancing visibility and attracting a wider audience. Leveraging tools like vidIQ can provide valuable SEO data and insights that can inform content creators about trending topics, keywords, and strategies to improve their video rankings. Additionally, incorporating AI-generated thumbnails created with ChatGPT can significantly boost click-through rates and capture viewers' attention. Titles, descriptions, and tags play a pivotal role in video ranking, underscoring the importance of crafting compelling and keyword-rich metadata to improve discoverability and relevance. By focusing on these key elements and utilizing innovative tools, content creators can effectively optimize their videos for YouTube search results, ultimately driving organic traffic and engagement to their channels. When it comes to monetizing a faceless YouTube channel, consistency and discipline in video publishing are paramount. By maintaining a regular upload schedule and engaging with the audience consistently, content creators can build a loyal following and attract potential monetization opportunities. It is essential to encourage viewers to explore various revenue streams from the inception of their channel, whether through ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or merchandise sales. By diversifying income sources, creators can maximize their earning potential and create a sustainable revenue stream from their content. To provide in-depth insights and strategies for monetization, promoting a free masterclass can be a valuable resource for aspiring YouTubers looking to monetize their channels effectively. This masterclass can offer detailed guidance on optimizing revenue streams, leveraging audience engagement, and implementing monetization strategies tailored to individual content niches. By emphasizing the importance of proactive monetization efforts and offering educational resources, content creators can unlock the full earning potential of their faceless YouTube channels and turn their passion for content creation into a lucrative online business venture. In conclusion, the video highlighted the significance of niche selection, emphasizing the need to align content with personal interests and expertise to foster audience engagement and channel growth. The process of content creation, utilizing AI tools like NVIDIA AI and ChatGPT, was underscored for its efficiency and simplicity in producing high-quality videos for a faceless YouTube channel. Moreover, optimizing videos for YouTube search results through tools like vidIQ and focusing on metadata such as titles, descriptions, and tags were discussed as essential strategies for improving visibility and ranking. Moving forward, viewers are encouraged to subscribe, like, and engage with the channel to stay updated on future content and support the creator's journey. By taking action and exploring related content, viewers can further immerse themselves in the world of online content creation and monetization. Lastly, a heartfelt thank you is extended to viewers for their time and attention, with a teaser provided for upcoming content to maintain excitement and anticipation for what lies ahead. Your engagement and support are truly appreciated, and I look forward to sharing more valuable insights and tips in the next video. Stay tuned for exciting updates and new opportunities to learn and grow together on this journey towards building a successful faceless YouTube channel. But first, you are probably asking, how can I actually do this? Is there a step-by-step guide that will help me do this? The answer is yes. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, this course is your ticket to success. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. Click the link below in the description to get started on your new journey today. If you found this valuable and want more information and help like this, please subscribe and like this video. I have loads of videos coming that you do not want to miss. I want to bless you on your journey to financial freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. Remember, this is your time. Today is your day to start. Take action.